Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
And we can't underestimate the importance of those flights there. It is crucial to get that data because it helps improve hurricane forecasting, including with Melissa, which is now on final approach towards Jamaica here, unfortunately, as a strong Category 5 hurricane with winds of 185 miles per hour. Once it hits Jamaica later on this afternoon within the next few hours, it will then cross over eastern Cuba here as a weakened storm, still a major hurricane, but likely as a Category 3 or Category 4 hurricane. Then Turks and Caicos will be up next before it heads out towards Bermuda by Friday, and then eventually out to sea where it will dissipate in the colder waters of the northern Atlantic. And it's a very powerful storm. In fact, when we look at the strongest Atlantic hurricanes by maximum sustained winds at any point in its life cycle, it ties for second right now. Now, in terms of landfalling hurricanes, the Labor Day hurricane from 1935 and Dorian are the strongest at 185. If Melissa was to strike with 185 mile per hour winds, it will end up tying itself for the strongest landfalling hurricane there on record. Now, back here at home in Harrisburg, we have a mix of sun and clouds, a lot calmer weather, but still breezy outside here today, but nothing like what they're seeing in parts of Jamaica here. We have winds out of the east-northeast around 8 miles per hour and current temperature 53 degrees in the capital city with a mostly sunny sky. As we look at temperatures across the Susquehanna Valley, Lewistown, you're at 48, 52 in Lancaster, 54 for Lebanon, as well as Gettysburg. That is tied for the warm spot right now, and it is breezy. You step outside, you can feel that gust out of the northeast, 30 miles per hour in Harrisburg, as well as Lancaster, 24 mile per hour gusts right now in Carlisle, and 21 in Gettysburg, 24 in York. As we look at Storm Team Live Radar Network, though, barely any cloud cover nearby here, at least for our northern counties, because we are still under the influence of high pressure, and that's going to keep today rather dry. We'll see a high around 58 degrees, but then those clouds slowly build as we go through the evening and overnight tonight. Tonight, not as cold as last night. We'll be mostly in the low 40s here across the Susquehanna Valley. And then for tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, but then showers arriving late after sunset for tomorrow here. Otherwise, it's going to be a dry day, but cool with upper 50s for highs. So that high pressure is still in control for today. Those clouds will build in as we go through tonight and tomorrow. In terms of rain, it does move in as we go through your Thursday morning commute hours, and heavy rain is likely across parts of the area. So keep that in mind here as we go through the first part of your Thursday. We could see easily 2 inches or more of rain in parts of the Susquehanna Valley here. So it is an impact day on Thursday for that heavy rain early Thursday morning, becoming more shower activity and during the afternoon. So the intense rain is in the morning, leading to a slow morning commute, and watch for ponding and wet leaves. When you have wet leaves, it can be as slick as ice, so just be aware of that. 10-day forecast, we have the 58-degree today and tomorrow, and then 60 degrees on your Thursday with that impact day because of rain. Halloween, though, it's going to be windy and cool, but it does look like it's going to be dry for trick-or-treating this year, Susan.
All right, very